and since when they have been indulging in such acts.
Superintendent of Police City, Pankaj Kumar Rasgania, said the central agencies have taken up the case of bomb threat emails to Meghalaya High Court. This is the second time such a threat email has been sent. A similar threat was also issued through an email on January 6, 2024. Stating that the similar threat has been issued to other high courts as well, Rasgania said police are still inquiring about it as the bomb threat mail sent to the High Court of Meghalaya turned out to be spam. The city SP said police are taking the threat seriously, though no FIR has been registered. Meanwhile, the security has been beefed up as the security drills were also conducted in the High Court on Tuesday. Bomb squads and bomb sniffing dogs were deployed.
That one email was sent to High Court, which says that bombs has been placed in certain places of High Court. So it was tagged as spam by the Gmail. So we still don't know whether it is a genuine email or it is a spam. So we are still inquiring into it. And as and when we get the details, we'll inform you. In the previous incident which happened, we had already registered an FIR, and after investigation, we had got the details. And the incident which happened, so it was a very generic email, and it was not just sent to Meghalaya High Court, it was sent to all the high courts.